Hi everyone, welcome to Diva's Nest. Hope you're all doing good and safe. So today we are going to make two healthy and tasty dishes using raw papaya. So I'm making raw papaya salad and chips out of it. So before we get started, if you are watching our video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and also don't forget to comment and share. So let's get into the video. Here I'm taking a piece of raw papaya, peel the skin and wash it nicely. Then I'm also taking a piece of carrot, some green chili and coriander leaves. So here I have grated the papaya and the carrot and finely chopped the coriander leaves also. So here it is totally optional. You can make the salad using only green papaya, or you can add vegetables like cabbage or carrot or beetroot, totally optional. So here I am taking only carrot and papaya. So then we will start the mixing process. Now into a bowl I have added all the ingredients, all the three ingredients, and into that I'm also adding some green chilies. These are two green chilies finely chopped, and then we need to sprinkle some salt for taste. Now we need to make a dressing. So for that, into a bowl I'm adding 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and then I'm taking around 1 tablespoon of honey, and then I'm sprinkling some chili flakes into it. So the dressing will be it will be sour, it will be sweet, and at the same time spicy. That gives a very nice taste to our salad. So once it is ready, now we can add it on. You can just drop it onto the salad mixture, and it is very tasty when you combine it. You can just mix it well. Now for the crunchy bite, you can also add roasted groundnuts if available. Here I'm adding some pomegranates. I did not add the nuts. You can always add nuts if you like having nuts in the salad. So the salad is ready, super tasty and very healthy as well. So if you get raw papaya, please do try it. So now we will make the second recipe. So the next recipe is a papaya, French fries you can call it. So just like how we make French fries using a potato, so here we can make it using the raw papaya. So we need to wash a piece of papaya nicely, peel the skin, and then we need to cut it into small pieces. So similar to how we cut potatoes into small pieces like this. Don't make it very thin or don't make it very thick. It should be of medium size. So once you cut all the pieces, then we can start the next process. It's a very good alternative to the French fries. So this is the size which I am taking. So once we have to just ensure that all the pieces are of even size. So you can also maintain it at this length, or you can also cut it into half. And then next what we need to do is we need to cook it. So into a pan I've kept some water and to boil, and into that I'm adding some salt and turmeric powder and some Kashmiri chili powder. So a little of it just to ensure that it is coated on the raw papayas. So once the water is boiling, into that I'm adding the papaya chips which we have sliced and kept, and we need to just blanch it. We need not overcook it for a long time because it will lose the texture, then we cannot fry it. So we need to ensure that we are cooking it just for around 3 minutes maximum. So once it is well blanched, then we can take it off from the hot water and then allow it to cool down. So you can just place it on a tissue, kitchen towel, and then once it cools down for around 1 or 2 minutes, then we will start the next process. So now into this we will add the ingredients for coating. So that is, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour, or you can also add maida, or you can add a combination of corn flour and maida, and then we need to add a pinch of salt. So just ensure that at this stage we are not over adding masalas. It should, because we have already added salt and turmeric powder and chili powder when we cooked the papayas. So here I'm also adding some chili powder. We can also add pepper powder if you want it to be more spicy. Then we need to gently combine it so that the mixture is well coated on all the pieces. So do not add water because the papaya pieces are already moist. So mix it well, and then we can do the final process, that is frying. So once the oil is hot, we can deep fry it. Keep the flame on medium, and then fry it on both sides till it turns crispy and light golden brown. So this needs to be served hot and crispy. That's when it tastes very good. So hope you liked both the recipes made today, the salad and the papaya chips. So please do try it once. If you get raw papaya, generally we do not use it much, but that also has a lot of health benefits. So please do try it once, and if possible, please do share the video with your friends and family. And if you like our videos, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and wishing you all a very happy and safe Diwali.